Hi, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share the details with you. But before we share the details, I would request every one of you to like, share, and subscribe our channel because these kind of information we are sharing absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. So the very first job opportunity is at Ksolves India Limited Company. They are looking for Salesforce developer with an experience of 3+ years. Location is Indore, Pune. QA manual engineer with automation exposure. Experience is 3 to 5 years. Location is again Indore, Noida, Pune. QA automation engineer. Experience is 3+ years. Location is Pune, Indore, Noida. So you can also send your resumes and details to this email address. Then there is a requirement there are multiple requirements at ThinkPalm company, and you can send your CV at jobs@thinkpalm.com. So let me share the various job opportunities which are there in this company. So these are the hirings. These are the positions for which they are going to hire the candidates. Senior manual testing, 5 positions are there. 5+years Chennai. Senior automation engineer, Python will playwright 2 positions, 5+years Chennai. Then other job opportunities are also there, right? So you can share your CV at jobs@thinkpalm.com. Then apart from this, if you can see, there are multiple other opportunities. So one is at the Aristocrat Technologies. They are hiring for QA positions. Experience required is 2 to 3 years. Skills is manual testing along with game testing experience is preferred. And you can share your resume at this email address. Then there is a requirement of software tester, 1 to 2 years, web developer, HR intern, and you can send your CV to this email address. Then IAP Technologies is also looking for QA intern, fresher up to or 3 months of experience. Location is Mohali, and the email address is provided. Then there is a requirement for manual tester. The location is Mumbai, and experience is 2+ years. So experience in life insurance and life Asia domain is required, and interested candidates can apply or reach out for more details at this email address. Then there is a hiring for SDETs in Gurgaon location. So the position is SDET 1, and the experience required is 1 to 4 years full-time, excluding internship. So the skill set that they are looking is for Java, Selenium, automation testing, API, and app testing. Notice period is 30 days or immediate. So you can also share your resume at this email address in the below format. Subject line, total years of experience, notice period, CTC, expected CTC, and current location. Then there is a requirement in one of the company which is hiring manual QA testers, 4+ years of experience. The location is provided and notice period they are looking for immediate to 15 days. So interview mode, first level would be virtual, second level would be face-to-face. So if you're interested, you can apply to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineer. Location is Pune, experience is 3+ years, and it would be 5-day working. And you can share your CV at this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA lead. 6+ years of experience is required. Someone who is capable of designing test plans, test strategies, someone who can lead, mentor, and manage a team of 3 to 4 QA engineers. And you can apply at this email address. Then there is a requirement at Zentrix Global. They are looking for freshers, QA freshers. Even 6 months to 2 years of people can also apply, right? So that is for Zentrix Global. So you can go to their company's website itself and apply on the careers because I think there is no email address provided. So you can directly go to their careers page and you can apply over there. Clear Trail Technologies in Indore is looking for project trainee for 6 months of contract, and this is the email address. Then Digitech Software Solutions is also looking for QA. The location is Panchkula and the email address is provided hr@digitechsoft.com. It will be 5-day working. Then there is a requirement on 22nd of February 2025. So face-to-face interviews in the below location, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, and multiple positions are there for LTI Mindtree company. So if you're interested in this LTI Mindtree company, you can apply over there. Then Young Brains Infotech Private Limited is also hiring for PHP developer, Android developer, QA engineer, and these are the details, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.